Today we're going to break down base 10 blocks, which will really help with the homework. Here we have a 100, which is the flat block, and so we can break that down by writing 100. Then we'll add the two 10 rods, and those two 10 rods together equal 20, 10, 20. These small blocks are for singles, and so 4 of them we write as simply as a number 4. We write those together as 100 plus 20 plus 4. We can see how those fit together in the more traditional algorithm or way of adding them up by stacking them to add them up. So that by doing that we actually get a chance to look at the columns. So we have our ones column, that's a 4. We have the tens column equaling a total of 2, and then the hundreds column equaling a total of 100. Together that's 124. In this shot I want to show you a 10 rod and 4 singles. We break that down by writing 10 plus 4, and we can add that up to say 10 plus 4 equals 14, and that is how we know that this collection of base 10s equals 14. Now in order to draw that, which is what you're required to do for your homework, you can simply draw that if you don't have base 10s, and so that I can see it later as the stick, as we've done in class, and 4 small blocks or squares. So you've now drawn exactly what you created with the base 10s. If you don't have base 10s at home, you can make them out of construction paper or anything else that resembles them, and then draw them. Here we have two collections of very similar amounts. Not really amounts, but amounts of things. So we have 3. So we've got 2 bigger ones and a small one, 2 bigger ones and a small one, but they're quite different. We have to remember that the large squares equal hundreds. So when we have 2 of them, it's worth 2 hundredths, which I've represented here in words. 2 hundredths, that 1 10 rod is worth 1 10. And here we have 2 10 rods, so we write that as 2 10s, and we have 1 single, or 1 1. So 210 is the greatest out of both of these numbers, and 21 is the least. And so now we've seen how to represent our base 10s in numbers, in pictures, and in words.